Hello, welcome to Eat Well. I went to another vegan restaurant for a brunch on a Saturday in the morning. I arrived at Antidote restaurant in Hochelaga, Montreal. You wanna check it out? I heard this place is busy, so already made a book for the table on their website. I start with an Americano coffee. I order a brunch plate and an American meal, all came with a side salad, potatoes, and fruits. This is a brunch plate which has scrambled tofu, seitan bacon, lentil pate. This one is an American meal. It has chickpea omelette, steak imitation made with mushrooms and soy protein on the bread with a pepper gravy. This seitan bacon was amazing, especially with the lentil pate, and the scrambled tofu was like an exactly egg scramble. I miss the scrambled eggs. Chickpea omelette steak made my day. I was so impressed with the dish. It was absolutely charming place and a good food. I would love to go again. Thanks for watching my channel today.